I wanna see 123 hip hop recipe. Estonia, make some noise.
150 grand lips glossy, rocks like insects. You see them frostbites. I ain't even got it stuck cause the whole night dancing could've lost my bracelet. Girls looking
And
at me like they
160
need
different
faceless.
flow. Get ready.
Glass falls from the heat, from the mist, from the sweat, from the people.
Jam.
Hey, I'm Dina, and hip hop is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, ah, and ah. The more relaxed you are, that's what makes it hip hop.
BBL, you know she extra. Got this thing all clean as a whistle. In the kitchen, scale, fork, and a pistol. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Yeah, we cooking now. You know this your pressure, cause they looking out. They look out for me, but they weren't looking out. Got your shit together, sookie, sookie now.
I think the first thing you need to know about hip hop, we have this. Boom, bam, every time. Or Your hands are always like this. Start out just hitting it.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, beans, greens, beans, 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 greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys.
Let him cook. I said, let him cook. Back it up, back it in. Let me begin. I came to win. Battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up. Punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act. I came to get down. So get down your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down.
I do this at the end of class, every class. I hit here, peace, I'm out.
Hip hop recipe. Estonia.